0948, EasyJet inbound to Basel. Please stick directly to the runway and fly at wind speed 220. You'll be landing on 26 right. That's your wind speed. We hope you land safely. Roger. Traffic control. Everyone's very, very quiet. Is there something to be nervous about, or are you just not going to talk? Seatbelt. Fine, don't talk. Be boring. But I'm going to talk. Oh, it's that American Adventure. One of those old theme parks in Derbyshire that sadly closed down. Poor sure. Now, where's this runway? I'm bored. Where was that? Shouldn't the flaps go down? Oh no, they're broken. How are we going to slow the plane down? Weird squeaky noise. Oh, now where are you going? Oh my god. Change the mind and go back. If we flip over. Going back. I've seen some aircraft investigations where planes flip over and they're out of control. Just saying. Okay. Suppose Daniel might win the bet, but we haven't landed safely yet. So high though, if we were going to land in like 5 minutes, we wouldn't be this high. Or would we? We're not as high as we used to be. So if the engines fail, we'll probably be alright. Actually, no. Then you hold on tight. There's a crazy golf down there. No way. I don't think that's crazy golf. Oh, how would you know? You're just saying it because of the colour. Where's the hole? It's quite weird when you see a motorway, how far it just stretches into the country. What's the point? It's weird. Nice sunshine in France, or is it Switzerland? Basel's between Switzerland and France. How are we going to get to Germany? What was that? We'll see when we get there. The flaps are not working, I haven't seen them extended. That can only mean one thing. Dad, stop please. Clear to land. When you're ready. Oh, there's a runway there. Oh, for goodness sake, runway 20's down there. So we just... Where's this airport? That's 3 airports I've seen so far. Maybe it's further than I thought. Well, at least we got options if something went wrong. Come on, please land. Gotta get a drink. They paying these prices on board, they're ridiculous. £2.80 for a can of Coke. I mean, oh, here we go. We're in action now. Extend the flaps. Slow the plane down. That means I think that means the air can't flow over the wing, so it slows it down. Landing gear. Is it down? Probably not. 3 green. Oh, this looks like it could be a bum. Why is it absolutely comfortable, and then as soon as you land it's like all hell breaks loose? Everything stopped. See, hurry up and land, I'm running out of storage space. I might not be able to film it at this rate. It's gonna run out before you land. Daniel, don't worry about it. When you're ready, that's 5 minutes so far. Come on. I think the landing gear went down. I've got to admit that. Everyone's very quiet. Maybe they're nervous, or maybe they're just. I don't know. Oh god, that's shaking. Look going down. Oh, maybe not, we're going up. Going down, we're going up. We're still timing. Yep. Feels like it's, you know. Hello drivers, bonjour. That's how you say hello, bonjour. Bonjour, 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 bonjour. Hello, hello. I don't speak French, but you can sort of fill me in of how to speak it. Oh, he's just changed lanes there, did you see that? Yeah, it is France. Different electrical. I suppose it's quicker than driving. It'd take like 9 hours if we drove, but maybe that's France or Switzerland. We're definitely very, if we go wrong now, I don't know what will happen.
Safe traffic control.
I doubt it because we're going this way.
There was a big tall thing under the
Yes, but we're going nice lake. That'd be cool. You're driving on, you can see planes now. That's cool. Oh no! Oh no! Train! Choo choo! Yeah, we're definitely coming down now. Oh, is he going to land safely? That's the question. We might get some air. Okay.
It's gonna be a bit bumpy.
Yeah, it won't be bumpy. It'll be smooth. Actually, yeah. Ooh! Please stop! Bloody hell, he's moving off the runway. Oh, don't start clapping. Don't be pathetic. That's Ryanair. At least this is not cheap as Ryanair, so you do not clap. What? I'm not going to cheer until the plane has stopped. Be my own life. I always do that. I don't care what that stupid sign says. Why are you gonna need it when you're going 2 miles an hour? Turkish Airlines! Well, if something happens, then quickly tell me. Yeah. That's what pilots do. Oh yeah, I am feeling the force without the seatbelt. What would actually happen if you landed without the seatbelt? You wouldn't actually fall out, would you, to be honest?
The point is if he has to brake really quickly.
No, I'm not cheering just yet because I've heard some bad things can still happen even on landing. Fire. Apparently you're playing. I'm not gonna.
Welcome to your Basel in Freiburg, where the local time is 20 to 11. We're pleased to inform you that we arrive on schedule. The cabin crew will shortly be leaving their seats to perform safety-related duties. However, I ask you to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened till the sun has been switched on. Portable electronic devices for messaging calls, internet access may now be used.
Well, we still got to do that as well.
Belongings with you, check in the seat pocket, and then you can see any of the hover lockers.
Thank you for
any items of any material you may have out with you, and if you have any items that can be recycled, please place them on the seat at the front and rear of the aircraft as you leave. Take care when opening the lockers in case anything falls out. Smoking is not permitted until you reach the designated smoking area. On behalf of the captain and the crew, it has been our pleasure looking after your today's flight. Our ground crew will help you complete your EasyJet journey. For the latest news, promotions, and flight information, check out EasyJet app or follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you very much and enjoy your day.